Good evening and welcome to Coffman High School's 2019-20 Open House. I'm especially pleased to welcome all of our new families to Dublin. We are fortunate to live in one of the best cities in Ohio. It's been my experience that the city of Dublin and the Coffman High School community is a wonderful place to raise a family. My name is Mike Allring and I'm very privileged to say that I am the principal of this incredible school we call Home of the Rocks. This is my 27th year at Coffman High School and my 11th year as the principal. Coffman continues to thrive as we approach close to 2,000 students this year. Our Coffman students continue to excel in and out of the classroom. Last year, we proctored over 1,100 advanced placement exams to almost 700 students and over 400 international baccalaureate exams to over 200 students. Overall, approximately 60% of our 10th through 12th graders took an AP or IB college level exam. Nearly 400 students took the ACT last year with an incredible average score of 26. Our 26 varsity athletic teams won multiple conference, district, and regional championships, including individual student athletes competing and winning state championships, which included our state champion boys lacrosse team. Coffman also boasts over 50 clubs and organizations for students to get involved in the Coffman community. Students and staff continue to challenge each other as we focus on our 3 A's: academic rigor, authentic community, and appreciation of our history. Our goal is to challenge your students by engaging them in classrooms with high expectations and providing a safe and supportive learning environment, which is our priority. As you made your way to homeroom this evening, you may have noticed the amazing facilities we have here at Coffman. Being the eldest of the 3 high schools, we take great pride in keeping Coffman in great physical shape to create the most effective learning environment. We continue to make improvements to our facility each summer. With the help of our voters, we now have plans for great improvements the next couple of years, including our library and the outside of our building. We continue to make minor improvements throughout the building each summer as well. We are so fortunate to live in a community that realizes the value of a great education and graciously supports our efforts. In the last 2 weeks, I've had the opportunity to meet with all of our Coffman students. This gives me an opportunity to communicate our expectations in and out of the classroom, as well as provide students an opportunity to get to know our administrative team. Based on my interactions with your students thus far, I am certain the future of Coffman is bright. Now, let's get to the real reason you're all here this evening: meeting our teachers and learning about your children's classes. I could not be more proud to work with such an excellent teaching staff here at Coffman High School. I believe you will see that our staff is dedicated and focused on teaching and learning, and I am very excited for you to get to meet them all. In a few moments, you'll begin to follow each of your students' schedules and get an inside look at what they will be accomplishing this year. I know our staff would like to meet and talk with each and every one of you tonight. But this evening is dedicated to curriculum, classroom structure, and expectations for each class. If you would like to spend more time talking with one of our teachers, I would encourage you to make an appointment with them individually. A great opportunity to do this is during our first parent-teacher conference night, scheduled for the evening of Wednesday, September 18th from 3 to 6:30 p.m. On behalf of the Coffman parent-teacher organization, I would like to invite you to stop in the Library Media Center this evening to enjoy some light refreshments if your child has a study hall or a period at Emerald Campus where you would be free this evening. They will have forms available to join the PTO or buy a t-shirt if you have not done so already. The Coffman PTO is a vital resource for the students and staff, so your support through time and/or donations is greatly appreciated. You can also stop by our Coffman School store, the Rock Shop, located in the cafeteria. They'll be open this evening if you would like to purchase some Coffman gear. Also, if you need an extra copy of your child's schedule, please stop in the main office and see Mrs. McGovern. I'll do my best to keep you informed this year as to what is going on at Coffman each week through my weekly emails entitled Coffman Information or Coffman Weekly Bulletin. You can also follow Coffman on Twitter at Dublin Coffman HS and on Instagram at Dublin Coffman High School to get the latest breaking information. I'm very excited about the great things already happening at Coffman, as well as the great things to come this year. I think we have the perfect combination of students, supportive families, and an incredibly talented staff. I know together we're going to do great things this year. I want to thank everyone for taking time out of your busy schedules to visit with us tonight. It serves as a great reminder of how supportive and dedicated our Coffman families are when it comes to educating children. Have a great evening here at the Coffman Open House, and I wish all of you an incredibly successful school year. And of course, go Rocks!